Hello everyone. Students, can you see me? Can you see my PowerPoint? Uh, Let me check. Where's my YouTube? Mhm. Hello. Invites. Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Social Studies online class. So, before we start our new lesson, where are we now? Okay, so before we start our new lesson, let us first have a recall of what we learned last week, right? Okay, so let's start. So identify the goods as need or want. So I will show you some examples of pictures of goods, and you are going to identify that one whether it is a need or a want. Okay, wait, student. Where's Okay, so let's start with I cannot see. How can I see this? Okay, so number one, let's start. The first one. So identify whether it is a need or want. Okay, number one, how about fruits? Fruits, is it a need or a want? Um, forget I forgot my okay, let me check for students. I forgot my phone. So let me check. I want to see the comments here. I want to see the comments here. Okay. Wait. Okay, so number one, fruits, is it a need or a want? Then let's go to number two. How about number two? Ice cream. It's a delicious one. So what is it? Is it a need or a want? Okay. So number two, ice cream. Students, I cannot check your answer. I forgot my phone. Okay, so ice cream student is an example of a want. Why it is a want? Because although we say that need or food or need, but ice cream is an example of food that belongs to wants because it contains sugars. It's too sweet, and we cannot eat that one every day. Okay, so number two, ice cream is a want. Then number three is a house. Okay, house. What is it? Is it a need or a want? Okay, students, just write your answer, and Teacher Christine will again. I will give you points after this. So I will view again your. I will go back again to chat box, and I will check again your answer, and I will give you points. Okay, so for number three, a house. House is a need or a want? Yes, it's a need. Why need? Because it is a place. Okay, a house is an example of a need because it is a shelter, right? Shelter is a place that can protect us from danger and bad weather. So it is an example of a need. Okay. Then let's go to number four. Number four, student. Yes, it's a computer. Computer, what is it? Is it a need or a want? Okay, let me check. Yes, it's an example of a want. Why want? Because we don't need computer, or computer is a non-essential for our survival. But it can make our life comfortable, easier, and comfortable and easier for us. So if we have computer, it's easier for us to send our mail instead of going to the post office, especially if we don't have time. All right, and if it is urgent, so we can send it through email. Okay, so computer, student, is an example of a want. The next, number five. Number five, it's a fan. Fan. Is it a need or a want? A fan. Yes, it's a want. Want, student, because it is not essential for our survival, but want makes our life comfortable, especially during summer, students, when it is very hot. We need fan to cool us down. So fan is an example of a want. Want. Okay, let's go to number six. Number six, student, is, yes, it's water. Water, student, is it a need or a want? Yes, what is it? Yes, it's a need. Need because we need water for our survival. Yes, we need water for our survival. And it's part of our basic needs. Okay. Then number seven. So number seven, student, what is number seven? Number seven is a jacket, a denim jacket. Okay. Jacket, student, it is a need. We need jacket, especially if it is very cold. Okay, or cold to keep us warm. The next, number eight, we do have hamburger. Okay, hamburger, student, is it a need or a want? Okay, so hamburger, student, is an example of a want. Though it is delicious, but it is unhealthy food. So yes, it can make it belongs to want because of course, when we eat hamburger, we enjoy it, right? So, want are goods that can make our life enjoyable, and hamburger, or yes, hamburger is an example of food that makes us enjoy our food or our snacks, right? Okay, so hamburger, but we cannot eat hamburger every day. It contains fats. Okay. Oh, why I have number 10? It's supposed to be number 9 first. Okay, so number 9. Sorry, it's supposed to be number 9. So it's a fancy car. It's a luxurious car or a luxury car. So what is it? Is it a need or a want? Yes, students, it's an example of a want. Car student, especially the fancy cars, we don't need it. But it can make our life comfortable and easier. Comfortable, especially if we are traveling to other places. So instead of riding in a bus, then it would be comfortable if we have our own car. And of course, it would be easier for us to go to our destination rather than taking the bus, because bus will stop from every bus stops. Okay, but if we have our own car, it would be comfortable for us and easier to reach our destination. See, I interchanged the number. Okay, so number 9. This is supposed to be number 10. I'm sorry for this mistake. So number 10 is medicine. Okay, medicine, student, is an example of a need or a want. It's an example of a need. Medicine is an example of a need because we need medicine to keep to keep us healthy and to stay alive. Okay. So, students, can you tell me what's the occupation? Okay, or what's the job of this man? Okay, students, I have to ask help. Okay, so 1 minute, please. Hello, I'm back. Sorry for that one. Yeah, because I forgot my phone, Miss Serena. Chair. A chair. Okay. Because I want to see the comments of the students. So I'm not sure how to see it. Because I forgot my
อันนี้เนี่ยedit search
See
อันนี้หน้าปก
same.
โอเคนะ
Yes.
โอเคถ้าอย่างนั้นก็ไปเดี๋ยวเนี่ยไม่อัน
Is
นี้
this
ค่ะ
one is okay, but I want to see the comments, Miss Serena, the students. Because last time we see that one.
ทิชเชอร์ไปกดอะไรมันน่ะตอนแรกมันมีอยู่แล้วอันนี้ ใช่เอออ่ะทำไมเน็ตมีสองอันน่ะเฮ้ยสตรีมไปแล้วเหรอ